Hi everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day today. I'm Christiana and I'm going to be updating my YouTube banner in Canva, so I wanted to bring you along. Let's go ahead and get started. Depending on what type of device someone's using to view your YouTube channel, the banner is going to show up slightly different. And so I created this template in Canva just to give you a better idea, a visualization of what exactly people are going to see. So when you design it, you know that nothing important is going to be cut off in any of the particular versions. So if you take a look at the white portion of this image, that is the only section that's going to be shown on mobile. Then it's slightly wider if you're looking at it on a tablet, and then even wider on the full desktop. And then if someone's pulling up your YouTube channel on a television, it's going to show the full screen. And so you just want to be aware of these things to make sure nothing gets cut off, nothing looks weird when someone goes from one device to the next. And so I'm going to show you two examples of what it looks like on the mobile and the desktop version. In this first image, we're looking at the mobile view of my channel, and so you can see it has all the key elements that I chose to include, which was a heading, subheading, and an image. Moving on to the desktop view, you can see there's a little bit more white space on the sides of those key elements from the mobile version. Now you can choose to include digital elements in each different layout. I chose to have more of a minimalist approach and just keep the background blank. And so what I'd actually recommend is you go to some of the YouTube channels that you watch, pull up their channels in mobile, desktop, if you have a tablet or a TV, and just kind of see how other people have chosen to design their different banner layouts, and it might give you some ideas of how you want to create yours. So the reason I am changing my YouTube banner is because I want to edit my subheading. It's currently, I help entrepreneurs start and grow their online business. And while that is what I do in my business, and I do teach a lot of business classes at the university, I really want my YouTube channel to be a place where I can come and teach about anything. I don't want it to be super niche, and so I'm going to go ahead and update that subheading for my YouTube banner. So originally I used an image that I had to remove the background, and while I did choose to use a different image where I don't need to do that, I want to show you how. You can do that in Canva with the paid version, but with the free version you cannot. And so there's a bunch of different websites you can do this for free. I'm just going to go to remove.bg/upload, and you can go and you can upload any of your images. I'll just pick one of the images that I had used previously. And once it's uploaded, it will just automatically remove that background for you, and then you can download it onto your device. And so you can see the original one. Oh, there we go. So the original one, it has that kind of like off-whitish background, and then the background's removed, and then I can download that onto my device and use it in Canva. All right, so let's go ahead and look at uploads. I'm going to be pulling some images. Even though I chose to use a different image, I still want to show you what it looks like with and without the background. So this is a picture before I remove that background. It kind of has that off-whitish color, and it's fine, but it just doesn't look as clean as when you remove the background and then you can place it, and then it just looks a lot nicer. Another thing that's really cool with Canva is you can input an image and you can actually match the colors in the image to different elements. So let's see. I went ahead and clicked those three dots, which is the more, and clicked applied colors, and then it actually changes the colors in Canva to match whatever image you have. So that's a really cool feature. I won't be using it for this, but you can definitely use it for other projects if you're trying to match some colors. Alright, so I'm actually going to use a different image. It's really nice in Canva. They have these grid lines. It makes lining things up really easy. And then I'm going to add some text. I'm going to do a heading. My heading is going to be my name. I'm going to change the font and the size. Oops. Position that. And then I'm going to add my subheading. Again, change the font and the size. Let's see, I think I want to do 41. All right, and so now I have my new design. Again, like I mentioned earlier, I'm just going to keep the background white. It's actually a grayish color, and so I'm going to remove these different text elements and then change the colors to that really light gray. And then from there I can just go ahead and download this and upload it to my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to download the first page. All right, and then we will upload it to YouTube. All right, so I'm on my YouTube channel and I'm going to go down to customization, then branding, and then banner image. And I'm going to go ahead and click change and go to my downloads. All right, and it kind of shows, make sure everything's lined up properly, how it's going to be viewed on different devices. And I'm going to go ahead and click done and then publish. All right, go to channel. And there we go. Now I have my new YouTube banner. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. Bye!